Hi guys, kumusta po kayo? This is Marilyn, your friendly Filipina Carpentera here in America. Piniflex ko lang yung bagong eyeglass kasi yung luma kong eyeglass kailangan ng i-update. So, ito na ngayon ang bagong eyeglass ko. Kaya lang, papalitan ito ng lens kasi dapat transition yung ginawa nila. Meaning, makakita ako sa malayo at makabasa ako sa malapit. Kaya lang parang yung malapit hindi pa rin ako makabasa. So, this needs to be returned. But, ito po yun, yung bagong style ng eyeglass ko. Tapos may sunglasses din ako. Remember before, kung nanonood kayo, as if may nanonood, of course, merong mga lovey-dovey na mga friends ko dyan. Before, di ba may sunglasses ako. Tapos on top of the sunglasses, ginagamit ko itong aking regular eyeglasses. Ito yung aking regular eyeglasses na napakaluma na. Because, hindi ako makikita sa malayo pag wala akong eyeglass. Pero however, datapwat sa balit, tama ba yun? Hindi ako pag-drive pag wala akong tulog and then it's very bright outside, so kailangan ko mag-sunglasses. Now, para akong alien pag nag-sunglasses ako. Tapos, on top of the sunglasses, kailangan ko ng aking regular glasses para makakita ako sa malayo. But anyway, enough of the explanation. But may sunglasses ako na this time, sunglasses siya, but at the same time, din, regular na, yung lens niya is regular na eyeglass ko. So, I'm excited. Hindi pa siya makuha kasi it's special ordered. But guys, alam nyo, ang laki ng savings ko sa aking mga sunglasses. Nakaka-save ako ng 100,000 plus. Woot, woot, woo! Yeah, kasi 50% off sila. Tapos, yung insurance ng asawa ko na-apply sa eyeglass na ito. So, woot, 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 woot. Thank you, Lord, for that. So, it's been a while na hindi ako nag-vlog kasi hindi ako lumulabas sa bahay. Nandito lang ako for probably more than 2 weeks. Nandito lang ako sa kwarto because I'm having pangs of anxiety and depression because of what's going on with our contractor. So, tumawag na ko doon sa Attorney General ng Kentucky where our contractor lived. And then, sinabi ko yung mga problema ko sa contractor namin doon sa landscaper namin. And sabi nung tao na i-download ko daw yung mga forms, i-fill upan ko about my complaints. And then, together with it, i-mail ko yung mga documents that is the proof of my transaction with our contractor, our landscaper, and yung magkano yung nakaw niya. So, kompleto na po yung mga papers ko. Isa na lang yung paper na dapat kong photocopy, and then after that, I'm going to mail it to the office of the Attorney General. But the good thing about it is, nabayaran yung utang niya sa amin is like $4,300. And how much is that? In mga 200,000 plus yung utang niya sa amin. Pero binayaran niya yung half. So, nabayaran niya sa amin ay 2,000. Kaya lang after that, hindi na siya nagpapakita, hindi na siya nagre-respond sa aking mga text messages, hindi na siya nagpipick up sa aking mga phone calls. So, kailangan na talagang dalhin sa korte. But anyway, other than that, I think everything is okay. Patuloy pa rin yung buhay namin dito sa Amerika and patuloy pa rin yung aming construction slowly but surely, but hindi na ako nakapunta doon except for last night kasi nag-dinner kami ng aking kapatid at mga anak niya and we really had a great time. Although 25 minutes away lang yung kapatid ko na nakatira from our current house here, hindi kami masyadong nagkikita.
Green Bay Packers.
Yeah, Green Bay Packers.
Smile.
Green Bay, Wisconsin.
Oh, I thought that was Ohio.
No.
Nandito kami ngayon sa restaurant overlooking the lake. Tapos ang ganda talaga ng view.
House, right? Or was that before you moved there? I saw a football helmet in the house, like in the living room.
I don't know if I still have it. Yeah, why don't you work for it and just get a bunch of
Burgers and then like, nobody wants burgers, so I just
Ashanti, you are here. Wow.
Oh, there's a boat.
Who had the Coke Zero?
That will go right here.
And then regular Coke.
Right here.
Pass that to you. So that probably will be the only glass.
Brunch?
Yeah, thank you.
Chicken quesadilla. And this is my favorite. What do you call this one again? Sweet potato French fries.
Potato waffle fries.
It's really good. I love this.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, if you guys need anything, just let me know.
Okay.
Ketchup. You get ketchup. Oh, there's some right there. I think I just got that.
Oh, right. I didn't even see that.
Try that one.
My sister. What did you get? Pork chop there.
I think there's ketchup in this one.
Sige lang.
Thanks.
Just in case.
Ito sa asawa ko. Chili. You know what? The first time that I arrived here and his
You guys want some
mom
ketchup?
like prepared chili for dinner.
Doing very good. Sorry, I don't
Hungry
really know.
bagels.
Aren't doing it.
Bengals, like they haven't been doing. I don't know.
You are so pretty.
season just started
Smile.
today.
I like her hair, Uncle Corey.
They're doing well.
Yeah, that's video. That's already right.
Video.
Oh, can you take for 30 seconds? Smile, everyone. We're having a family dinner. Hi, family in the Philippines and in Hawaii. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Doing very good. Sorry, I don't
Hungry
really know.
bagels.
Aren't doing it.
Bengals, like they haven't been doing. I don't know.
You are so pretty.
season just started
Smile.
today.
I like her hair, Uncle Corey.
They're doing well.
Kung naay kuan ang
Okay, you ready for the light back? I don't know where Sean's. Oh, wait. I think so. Oh, wow. There you go. That's.
Alam nyo guys, yung mga anak ng kapatid ko, napaka-close talaga sa kanilang Uncle Corey. Kahit na uncle lang in-law, but close talaga sila guys. Grabe. I love my flowers. I love my flowers. Gusto ko yung yellow. Yellow. Kaya lang guys, malamig na dito, kaya malapit na din matapos itong roses ko. Pero, ipapasok namin siguro ito sa loob. Or, ibabao namin dyan. Dyan, oh. Tapos, tatabunan lang ng hay. Para, hindi siya mamamatay. So we only need gas pipings for the furnace and the water heater. Just those two. And there's already like gas piping outside from the road going to the house, but outside the house. So we just need a connection from the outside of the house going in here. So, yeah, that's going out. I don't know what else you need to know, but basically this is just it.
Bye.